vanilla.
It's currently 3:38 a.m. I'm here at the Pax Lounge at Terminal 1. So boarding time is at 6 a.m. So I have meron pa akong mga 3 hours. And I'll just be here. I think I'll sleep for a while. I haven't slept. Hindi pa ako natutulog since yesterday. So bago ako pumasok on Thursday, 3 hours of sleep. And then I went on with my day with work. Tapos, I went home, packed my things. Now I'm here. So I have to sleep here before boarding. Para naman medyo may size. So, yeah. Bye! Papunta sa boarding gate. So boarding time is at 6. So it's 5:30. Plenty of time. But sobrang dami ng tao kanina, hindi ganito. So we're actually here sa boarding gate. Oh God, kailangan na mag-retouch yung mga oily ko na pala. I still have like 30 minutes left. I arrived at around like 8:45. Medyo natagalan lang sa immigration because of the long line. But yeah, I suggest that you fill out the online arrival card before you get here. Para diretso na lang kayo sa immigration pumila. Hindi na kayo mag-fill out dito. Ang hirap mag-vlog ng may dalawang maleta. I'm actually on my way to claim naman yung Wi-Fi from Klook. But anyway, I also claimed my 5K accommodation vouchers from Klook. I'll also withdraw pala. Better daw kasi than exchanging your money from USD to TWD. So here's the Klook booth at the end of the arrival hall. So dito ako magki-claim. There. Finally here sa hotel room. And sobrang pagod ko. Actually, naglakad na ako sa Simending. Kasi ang aga ko dumating dito. Oras pa. Like mga 1. Siguro. Dito na ako sa Richardson. Actually, we're here in Hotel Midtown. Richardson sa Simending. This is across Simending Walking District. So, ayun. Tatawid lang. But okay lang. Lapit sa lahat. Pumagod na ako. Kanina pa ako naglalakad sa Simending. Nag-ikot-ikot na ako, kumain na ako. Hindi lang ako nakapag-milk tea kasi sobrang haba ng pila. But, goal natin yan one of these days. So, tinignan ko na rin ABC Mart, Nike stores, Adidas stores. Ayun, maraming ang nakasale. So, I'm asking my friends kung gusto nila magpasabay. I'm willing to do pasabay. So, malaki naman yung dalawang maleta. So, I'll just take a bath. Maligo muna ako then sleep. And then, baka mag-Wufen po shopping district ako later. Or, yeah, syempre, night market, Simending. Tingnan natin kung may marami pang mas bago. Or may mga bago pang stores na mag-pop up. Pero nakita ko na yung gusto kong makita si Lolo Scallion Pancake. Nakita ko na siya. And then, I bought an Easy card na parang, keychain. So cute! Yan siya. Ano to? Magkano? 350 pesos. 350 pesos. 350 Taiwanese dollars. And then kanina pala, kinainan ko yung kinainin ni Chewy Show, which is yung pork chop. Sa may Wanyan building sa underground, sa basement. And then puro locals talaga yung kumakain. Chinainis ako, te. Chinainis ako nung tao doon. Pala sinasabi niya kung pwede daw may makishare doon sa table ko kasi pang-apatan. Sabi ko, I don't understand. Huwag mo akong Chinese. Hindi ba daw Chinese? Well, anyway, yun lang. Share ko lang. Pagod na talaga ako. Call ko muna si Chris. Then I'll ligo. Then I'll sleep. And then, let's see kung ano mangyayari tonight. Basta chill lang naman.